y'all. Happy Thursday. It's your girl. And I'm back for another video. Okay, y'all. Today is Thursday. Look at my daughter over there, y'all. Kayla, come here. Why? Let me see, y'all. She's so extra. Y'all, today is a special vlog today. But I will show y'all in a moment, momentarily. Say hey, Bubba. Say hey, mama, baby. Y'all, she won't act right. I don't know. My child, she about to throw it off. But, you know, pee-peed on yourself. Get on panties. But, yeah, y'all. So, today's a very special vlog. Her speech therapist is supposed to come around 11:30 today. I don't know if she's coming or not. I really don't know. I think she's coming. I don't know. But if she do, I'll try to get some footage for y'all. Y'all know I try to get a little bit of footage. Y'all know me. So, I'm going to try. Try my best to get some, okay? But, yeah, y'all. So, I'll be back. Let me get her situated for speech, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I done left the house. I'm with my mom. Your baby girl, sit back.
She trying to get some motherfucking air in this goddamn matchbox we in.
So, y'all, we in the car. I did no makeup today, so just clear, just regular skin. No makeup, no makeup. What you want, Jay? He's saying about no milk in today. I know I gotta get that out of here. But yeah, y'all. So I'm with my mama. I'm just riding out on the road. I'm with my mama. Okay.
You see, I'm carrying her to a special surprise today.
Woo! Okay, y'all, so I'm back in the car with my mom. I got a new car, you guys. I'm gonna insert some pictures in here. Okay? So y'all can see it. Here goes. Okay, so what you guys think? I love my car. I love it. It may not be a brand new car, but it's new to me, and my mom got it for me cash money, y'all. No payments, no nothing, y'all. Like, I'm just so happy and overjoyed. I'm so blessed and thankful. I'm thankful. And me and my daughter sleep. Me and my daughter appreciate my mama so much. We appreciate her. You know, just in general, just thankful to have a mother. Anyway, you know, I gotta get my eyebrows did, y'all. And my nails, honey. I gotta get my nails done. I'm gonna start getting my nails done, y'all. Cause they be looking wild and stuff. So I'm gonna get these cut down. I'm gonna get my nails done. So I'll probably go get my nails done probably tomorrow. Or sometime this weekend. I think I wanna, cause my nail shop open every day. Even on Sunday. So I don't know, y'all, but I'm in the rental car with my mom. Because her car is in the shop. But yeah, y'all, like, I'm like so overjoyed. You know, I'm so overjoyed with happiness. Like, I'm blessed. I'm blessed. I am. Me and Kayla is blessed. Cause it's all for her too. It's for her too. We blessed. But y'all, I love you guys. And I'll be back. I'm finna go over here to this Captain D's, y'all. And I'm gonna show y'all these funnel cake sticks that I be eating, okay? Go check them out now. If y'all got a Captain D's in a while, check out them funnel cake sticks, honey. Woo! They so good. If they ever stop selling them, they need to shut Captain D's down. Look, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm silly, y'all. But yeah, y'all, like, they lit. They go my dupes. Tell the vlog came. She told y'all she had a surprise dish.
Yeah, I got my daughter her car. Thank God for that. And it is hers, and I paid for it cash.
I was telling them about them funnel cake sticks.
Oh, yeah, we're finna go get some. Y'all want to see them?
Tell them how good they are.
They okay. They're not like it.
It depends on who cook them. Because they can be too hard.
How about some one day? No, I ain't got them many damn teeth.
Uh-oh.
And honey, they like they broke these last few damn out I damn got. Hell, I've been trying to get me some dentures. Yeah.
Not no dentures. Oh.
Y'all need to make up little boys.
We're going to Chick-fil-A.
Y'all need to bounce your ass on over there to Chick-fil-A then.
But y'all, yeah, so I'll be back.
I'm going right here. I got no
Okay. When I get these sticks, go on and order them though.
Okay.
I'll cook them.
How many? Just one.
You can share it,
Just
okay?
one.
You can share one box, can't you?
Yeah.
I don't need that many. But yeah.
Pepsi or Coke?
Pepsi. No, Coke.
Okay.
But yeah, y'all, like I can't wait. Like I just can't wait. Like so I can't wait till y'all see these funnel cake sticks because they so good. They like so good. Did I wake my child up? I'm just the crack. Oh shit. Let me fix her head. But y'all, I'll be back. Let me fix my baby head, okay? I'm gonna be back. When I come back, I'm gonna show y'all these sticks. Okay. Okay, y'all. So here go the funnel cake sticks. Y'all, they so good. Somebody ended up getting some fish though. And some crackling. I got a little piece of her fish. But y'all, the funnel cake sticks are so good. Like, get them with extra sugar. I'm telling y'all. They here. They busting. Okay? We can help finna get that one. Y'all, these funnel cakes are good. I forgot to say my daughter's son. These funnel cake sticks are good, y'all. Listen. ASMR moment. Baby girl still not there. Yeah. That bitch is good though. I love them, y'all. Y'all got a Captain D right here. It just sticks with sugar on it. If you like funnel cakes, you'll like it. If you like funnel cakes. You know, you go to the fair and you get them little funnel cakes. I know everybody done spent at least $5 to $6 on the funnel cake. But they're hitting though. Y'all, it's so good. My baby's still sleeping. I don't know what's wrong with her, y'all, today. Kayla been lit all day. Like literally lit all day. All day long. Oh, and my mama got. I told y'all she had some of them. They good too. I love them too. They are good. They are really good. I'm gonna get my eyebrow done. I might go when I get back to the house before her daddy coming over today. Before he come over there, or I might go while he do. He'll watch his daughter. You dig? So yeah, y'all, they were good. My mama. Okay. My mama ate her fish. She got some fish, y'all. So y'all saw that she ate. And she ate some funnel sticks too. Just a little bit. Oh, y'all, sorry for that burp. But yeah, y'all, she don't, like she just said, she don't eat a whole lot. Because she got a bad stomach. Y'all, it's 3:22. My phone cracked, y'all. My baby took my phone. I got this phone and I have an iPhone as well. Which I'm using the iPhone to vlog on. But this phone is still on too. So I got 2 separate numbers. But only select few got both of my phone numbers. Some people only got this number, some got the iPhone number. And I got to send one girl to the iPhone number as well because she got this number too. But yeah, y'all, so. Well, yeah, like she said, she don't eat much because she got a bad stomach. But she eat enough to live. But yeah, so. Gotta go. Okay, y'all, it is hot. We're at the mall. Yeah. We hot today. Kayla's still asleep, honey. I ain't put no makeup on today, honey. It's been melted off my face. So, I am, we at the mall, y'all. Just looking. Might find some items, but other than that, we looking. My eyes may look a little black because my sugar's a little off. But they should get right soon. I'll go to the doctor in the morning. We'll be going our separate ways. And then you gonna meet up. Me too. That's when we gonna meet up. But you going home too? What? Yeah, you wanna go and hit with sport? Okay, yeah. I catch y'all in hit with sports. Excuse me.
How much are these? What size you want?
I guess a 7, a 8. I said 8.
Let her see an 8 in this one. And what size do that one go up to?
A 7.
Let me say the 7 in that one.
I'll probably at least give it to tomorrow.
Stock on.
If it don't show up tomorrow. Or I tell the customer however you want to do it.
See, I finish around Claire's. But I ain't got no sex. I ain't think about it. I wasn't thinking, y'all. Okay, yeah. Good. Yeah. We got shoes. We got Air Forces. So now we're finna get ready to do. We trying to find the they were a little pair of Air Forces, but don't nobody got her size, so we have a hard time trying to find her size. So yeah. So we trying. That's my insulin pump, y'all. So we're trying to find her size. So we got one more option to look at. Well, we got 2 more options to look at, I guess. But I'll catch y'all in the next store. Okay. Y'all, I'm sweating. Excuse me. And I got oily skin too. So that's why my face so shiny, y'all. Sorry. It's just so oily. Sorry. Alright. Okay, y'all. So we out of the mall, y'all. It is so hot. When I say it's scorching hot, it's hot. We're going to Kayla, stop. Leave your grapes alone. Call them grapes. Y'all, it's so hot, my neck's sweating. I'm about to die. Hot. But yeah, so I got her some sandals out of the mall. I was looking for some Air Forces, but I couldn't find any her size. So I guess I have to wait until I get ready to go to Atlanta way and get her some, because I didn't see any of her size. Yeah, so my mom did get me and her a pair. So yeah. But yeah, so I'm gonna get ready to head home because her dad is actually on his way over there to see his daughter. Yeah, my mom ain't got nowhere else to stop. If she do, I'll catch y'all at the next stop. And then I'll catch y'all at the house. Whichever one is great. Okay? Look at that, y'all. Uh-oh. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna end the vlog off right here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Hit that bell because you know once you hit the bell, you are family. Oh, tell them about your Kayla. So see you on the next vlog or video. Woo. 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 She kicking you. Woo. Woo. Who is that pretty girl? Who is that pretty? You don't want to hit your own foot. But yeah, so we'll catch you on this vlog or video.